Hello.
What happened? Why is your face like this now?
I've been calling you for days. Why have you been avoiding my calls?
Sorry, I've been busy doing something. That's why I didn't pick your call. It's not intentional. What happened? Why is your face like this?
I missed my period.
Period, Okwa. Where did you keep your period?
Are you for real? Jesus. Are you really asking me this?
You say you miss your period. See, I just met you 2 weeks ago. I'm not living with you, so to know how you keep your things. How will I know where you kept your period?
You know what? I've always known you are this kind of person. And thank goodness I never expected much from you.
I don't know why you are taking this thing too serious. You just have to be open and tell me the kind of period you are talking about. I don't know. You say you miss your... I don't know where you kept your period. Why are you making it this thing? You want me to help you to find it. You tell me to help you to find it.
I already know what to do. I have what to do in mind. I just thought to come here to tell you. Thank you.
Guy, what is up? What is
baby some period?
And so?
I bet this girl carry like
Night, the things that say you relax. What are you trying to tell me? Say, he good say she come meet you. This one I don't really show you say that on to the next step. You know what that mean? Me she carry her own they go. Say only she go handle her. That's why you come to that say, oh boy. What's it come? Bro. Mama, no, so you.
Please, I forgot my phone at home. I'm right left already. Can you come drop me?
No problem. Let's go.
They call. Match your guard. Don't worry. Don't worry. Stay yourself.
Is this your house?
Yes, of course.
Your father's house?
This is my father's house.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Is that a problem?
This malaria what did you now? What are you going to do? Let me go and buy you drugs now.
Who said I have malaria?
Thief.
But you said you are sick now. Is that not what you told me?
This is the problem I have with you. So you were not listening when I was talking to you.
You said you missed your period. I mean, what do you say? You are speaking in parables. I don't understand what you are saying now.
I missed my period. And right now, I am pregnant.
Wait. You are pregnant. Like you have my baby inside you.
Yes.
No quick talk now. Why no quick talk? Why will you be saying you miss your period? Like, no, I'm not a girl, so I don't understand all these things now. Yeah?
You
mean you have my baby inside you?
I've been trying to explain to you. I came to your place. I told you this, that. You were like, I should leave, I should do this, I should do that.
No, now. Don't be like that. See, do you know how long I've been praying for this? Yeah? You have my baby. My own baby. Hey! See, you don't know what you have done for me now. Eh? See, you see this baby? You go born am.
Wait, so are you saying I should keep the pregnancy?
Yeah? What are you trying to do before? You want to remove it? No try, Amo. No try.
You were not talking to me the other time. I don't know.
See what will happen now. Eh? You just relax.
Guy,
I'm coming now. Wait, I'm coming.
Guy, what do you see the phone just get the package? What they come on here now? What do you not see they talk for there?
Why be saying only Baba thing? I waiting through your head. Why? Why be saying only Baba advice Sabi give? Eh? See girl where be say God don't use bless me. Say make I leave am. Why?
Blessing.
Which one be blessing?
From who?
Yes now.
I don't understand. Guy, be more to come for this place, I beg.
See, bro. In fact, as it be like this now, in fact, I'm breaking up with you like I they break up with babe. Do you understand? I don't want to. In fact, don't call my phone again. Why be saying only batting through your head?
Open this idiot. Come on, this place. You're doing a joke.
Yeah, I don't follow you play. Oh. Come, I know they play with you. I know they play with you.
You push me.
They go.
Nice. What did this girl don't tell you when they make you behave like this?
She don't tell me anything, just they go.
So this thing now, they check you.
Bro, they go.
This guy get belay for you, sure you know.
Guy, they go.
They go.
No problem. Rubbish. Very stupid boy. Make I see you next time. No verse here.
What's happening?
Can you imagine? This one just advise me, say, make I leave you, make I dump you. What kind of useless advice be that? Yeah? See person why they try help. This is why they see, where they see like this. In Papa Day prison since so. Him mama na big time olosho. Do you understand? His only sister where he get. That one is psychiatric hospital. See person, they try to arrange his life. Is he advising me? The only baba thing is Sabi advice.
Why
Yeah?
are you even keeping this kind of friend?
I don't pursue her now. See, as you dey like this now you be my only priority. Do you understand? I don't pursue and come out. Yeah? My mama. Yeah? You see this baby, yeah? You could keep him, we could born him, and we are going to be the best parents to this baby. Hey, my love! Your papa dey house.
He went on a business trip.
A business trip. Must be working so hard.
Very hard.
Alright, so who dey house?
Nobody. Me alone.
Why?
Because I'm the only child.
You are the only child. Okay. So what's up?
Please, can you do me a favor?
Anything.
Okay, can you take me outside the estate gate? I quickly want to change some dollars. I need cash.
You want to change dollar? Let's go now.
Thank you.